Hello friends, welcome to Abhi Anvi tutorials. So today in this video in series Playwright with Python, we learn about how to click the radio buttons and checkboxes. Okay, so let us first import the Playwright. Okay, from Playwright dot sync API. Okay, import sync underscore Playwright. Okay, so with sync underscore Playwright as p. Okay, so let us open a browser first. Browser equal to p.chromium p.chromium.launch. Okay, so we'll use headless mode equal to false. That means the web page will be opened and it is visible. If you keep headless mode equal to true, then background it will open and it will close. It's not visible for us. What is happening we can't see. So use the headless mode equal to false so that what is happening in the background web page and all will see, and what is happening we can see. Okay, so browser, after that we'll open a new page. Okay, page equal to browser dot new page. Okay, then page dot go to. So for this radio buttons and checkboxes, we'll use this website called uh, this one. Okay, practiceexpandtesting.com. Okay, so this website is used for practicing the automation testing. Okay, so in this so many things are there. So we'll go to radio buttons. Okay, then we'll see how to click these radio buttons here. Okay, so copy this URL and paste in the code. Okay, so before going to the code, first this is comma is there, it is dot. Okay, so before going to the code, we'll see here what is happening here in this page. Okay, right click on the inspect. Okay, so find out these elements first, then we'll go to the code and we'll paste the locator there. Okay, so use Control F here so that we'll type the selector here and we'll see how many are there. Okay, we should get one of one so that it should be unique and correct. Okay, so select the element, for example select for this red. Okay, so here it is telling input type radio class from check input and id equal to red. Okay, so we'll use the id red. Okay, so input at the rate id equal to red. Okay guys, so this is one of one it is showing. Let's see where is that. Let me increase this. Okay, so it is selected. So this is one of one and it is unique. Okay, so like this you can select the radio button. Okay, so copy this and use in our code here. So radio underscore button equal to page dot wait for selector. Okay, then paste the locator here. Okay, then we can click on that radio button. Okay, radio button dot click. Okay, so you can use click or you can use check. Okay, both you can use. Okay, first we'll see the click, then we'll go for check and we'll see that. Okay, so let me comment out this first. Okay, then finally we'll wait for a page timeout. Okay, page dot wait for timeout, let's say 5000 milliseconds. Okay, so now it will go to the this red radio button. Okay, then it will click on that. Okay, let's see that here. Okay, click on the run the code. So it will open the web page and it will click on the radio button. Okay, so let's see that. So it clicked on the radio button red. Okay, so like that it will work. Then it will open and it will close in 5 seconds. Okay, 5000 milliseconds means within 5 seconds it will close. Okay, so similarly we'll check with check method. Okay, radio button dot check. So both we can use click and check. So right now, now we'll check with the check method. Okay, so run the code and see. So like that it will work. Okay, click on the red. Then it will close in 5 seconds. Okay, so this is radio button. Then we'll go for check boxes. Okay, oh, for check boxes also we'll go to the website and see where is the check boxes. Go to demos. Let me close this first here. Then go to demos, examples. Okay. Then go to checkboxes, checkboxes. Okay. Click on this. So these are the checkboxes. Checkbox 1 is not selected. Checkbox 2 is selected by default. Okay. So let us find the element, web element of checkboxes. Then we'll use in our code. Okay. So here select this web element and select the checkbox one. So here it is telling tag is label and for checkbox one. Okay. And there is no ID here, right? So here label is there, tag, and for checkbox one is there. So we can use those things and you can click on the checkbox. Okay, guys. So now let us see here Control F and we'll use that. Okay. Label. Okay, then at the rate of for is there tag. Okay, the rate of for equal to checkbox 1. Okay, so checkbox 1 will be selected. So this locator is correct. This is one of one. This is unique and correct. Okay, so copy this and use in our code. Okay, so checkbox here, checkbox equal to page dot wait selector, page dot wait for selector. Okay, then copy the selector here, right? Then checkbox dot click. Okay, and checkbox dot check. Okay, so for this checkboxes also we have two methods to operate that. One is click and one is check. Okay, first we'll see the click. Okay, so let me comment out this radio button here, right? Now I'll run the code for checkbox and let us see whether it clicks the checkbox one or not. Okay, run this. So I forgot to give the URL here for checkboxes. Okay, this is the URL for checkboxes. Use that URL here. Okay, page dot go to this URL. Okay, comment out this here. Okay, so we'll the code will go to the checkboxes page and it will locate the checkbox one web element, then it will click. Okay, so let's see that. Okay, so checkbox one is clicked. Okay, so by default checkbox two was there, so now checkbox one also clicked. Okay, so same thing we'll check for checkbox two. Okay, so for checkbox 2 already by default it is selected, right? Now it should unselect that checkbox. Okay, let us see that, run the code and see. So checkbox 2 is unselected. Okay guys, so like this you can work on the checkboxes. Similarly, you can test the method using check. Okay, so let us click on the checkbox one again using the check method. Okay, so checkbox one is selected. Okay guys, so like that you can work on this. And for example, you have multiple checkboxes and you want to click on multiple checkboxes, then you have to use the list. Okay, let us say for example checkbox underscore locations. Okay, equal to, we'll keep the locators in the list. Okay, so this first we'll copy this one. This is the first checkbox and this is the second checkbox. So two we are clicking. So what happens guys, by default checkbox one is not selected, checkbox two is selected. So if you click on those two things, then checkbox one will be selected and checkbox two will be unselected. Okay guys, so that should happen now. So how to do this? So we'll use the for loop and then we'll click the checkboxes, both checkboxes. Okay, for location in checkbox locations. Okay, page dot wait for selector location. Okay, dot click. Okay, directly you can use like this with the page statement only. Okay, so this should click the checkbox 1 and 2. So checkbox 1 will be selected and checkbox 2 will be unselected. Okay guys, so let's try this. Let me comment out this first. Okay, so let us run this code and see. Okay, so it will open the page and it will select the checkbox 1 and unselect the checkbox 2. Okay guys, so it will close after 5 seconds. Okay guys, hope you like this video on radio buttons and checkboxes. So stay tuned for more videos on automation testing with Playwright and Python. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.